Hi guys, yes, I'm here brushing my new long hair. I put this long hair yesterday for a party, a concert, and I just kept it on. I loved it so much. I slept with it, yes, but I'm taking it off today. But while I had long hair, I wanted to shoot for you guys so I look a bit different. And if you guys want hair tutorials as well, let me know. The girl that does my hair here too, she's great, and she could teach you guys how to put long hair on, how to, do many things. So let me know if you are interested in hair tutorials. Today's video is not about hair. So I created a makeup that's very trendy right now, which is with wet lids. And you can do them colorful, you can do them neutral, you can do them with any color. But I decided to do this first tutorial, since I've never done it before, with brown, like a brown smoky eye. Super glossy and very wearable, super chic, and this whole makeup is very sophisticated. But you can also do it for like a nightclub, you can do it for wedding, you can do it for many occasions because it's so versatile, but very chic. The shades that I used, I did it with pinks and lilac, but you can also do it with coral and be more summery, laid back, okay? But yeah, it's very trendy right now, the wet lids. It's super easy to do, and if you follow the tutorial, you will see how to create it in the best way so that it's not sticky, it doesn't run off, and you'll be all set, okay? I really hope you recreate this with me, and I hope you like the tutorial, my loves. Let's get started. All right, let's do this. No makeup on, nothing at all. My face, I'm a bit tan because I was away and it was so much fun. I had like 3 beach destinations. 2 of them were work and 1 of them was just vacation with my sister, so I got a bit tan. And I put sunscreen all the time. I put BB cream, so really protect my skin, but I did get a little bit of color on my skin, but I'm still very pale compared to my body. So I'm gonna start this makeup with this new product that I started using because I got it as a gift from a Revolve trip, and I loved it. It still has like a little bit of the plastic on it, but I've been using it since. It just really hydrates your skin. It's a micro serum mist. You put it in the beginning and end of makeup. It seems like it's Korean. I don't know the name of the brand. I think the name of the brand is Pink Essence. So all over. And this is kind of replacing my Caudalie. I still love this, but when I want super glowy skin, I use this one, okay? Whew. I'm gonna brush this hair a little bit. Next, what I'm gonna do is use the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. And what this does is really give your skin a filter. So it makes it also a bit glowy for your foundation, but you can also wear it by itself, like when you just want to go to the beach or go out with, a little filter in your face but looking super natural. This is awesome. There's pretty much no coverage, but I don't know, the effect is amazing. It looks like you have coverage now, like the before and after, but it's really nothing. It's just like a little glow with a little tint of color. Now I'm gonna get my Givenchy Matte Simi Velvet foundation, which has really thin coverage. Like it covers, but ooh, oh my god, I sprayed foundation all over myself. Ah! Of course, this always happens to me, guys. Good thing I didn't have my good outfit on. I just decided to start like this with my sports bra. I knew it was coming. Okay, so Givenchy foundation, like I said, very thin consistency. It looks super natural on, but it does cover like spots and all the stuff we don't like. It's super, super pretty on. Guys, I'm very happy with my skin lately. I know I don't have the best skin, but I started using like a new routine of skincare, which I will show to you guys. Concealer under my eyes. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to eyes, and then we'll finish skin. Just let this foundation, this base set. So for the eyes, when you're doing wet eyes, the secret is use kind of like a primer before. And since I'm doing a smoky eye, I'm gonna use the Aqua color paint from Makeup Forever, which is already like a primer. It really sticks to your lid. So I'm gonna get it with my finger. And you can choose the color that you're wearing, but if you don't find it, just use a regular nude primer and apply it, and then you put color. I love this color. I know you guys will ask. It's M60. So the eyes will stay like that, and then what I'm gonna do is take my palette, eyeshadow palette. Today I chose Born to Run from Urban Decay. And then I'm going to highlight under my brows with Breakaway. And on this edge right here, I'm gonna use a bit of coral because it goes really well with the brown, and so that we have this nice blended crease area. Always when I'm blending, I try to mix 2 to 3 colors together so that it gives like that wave of color. It just looks more natural too. And now I'm gonna take this, the coral that I used was Still Shot, and I'm gonna take Riff, which is a warmer brown, and I'm still on the crease area. And with this shadow, I'm gonna start blending it out a bit so it's more dramatic. I'm gonna take my pencil from Urban Decay in Lucky, which is more of a bronze color. Waterline and a little bit on the outer corner of my eye. And now I'm gonna come with Punk, which is a deeper brown, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Now my bottom eye, I'm gonna take Riff again, that brown, that pretty brown. And blend, blend, blend. Okay, and now let's do the magic and wet this shadow. So now what we're gonna do is get gloss, just any transparent gloss, and you're gonna apply it, dab on top of that shadow. And now I want a little bit of color, so I am taking Baja. You guys, I did the smoky in the bottom, but I'm just gonna take it out because I want the wet. If you like it, keep it, but I want the wet lid to be like focused, and if we do the smoky in the bottom, it's like it's gonna take the attention off of it. So don't kill me, please. I'm just gonna take it. So I just took it off and applying some concealer. Let's touch up. So you're still gonna keep this eyeliner, and just on the outer corner, on the outer side of the eye. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna use my They're Real from Benefit. Look how beautiful the eyes are. Super sexy, very wearable, very trendy. So now I'm gonna go back to skin, and I'm gonna take my bronzer from Givenchy. Contour here a little bit. I like to use this as a base and then a matte bronzer on top. And now I'm gonna take my Dior bronzer, the Dior Skin Mineral Nude Bronzer. Kind of contour my face with it. This is such a beautiful bronzer, you guys. A little bit of contour on the nose. And Dior again, I love, you guys know, this highlighter, Dior Skin Nude. I'm gonna apply it here. Woo! Highlighter is life. This is gonna make you photogenic, you guys. Tip of the nose to give that impression that it's thinner, and always a little bit more on the top of your cheekbone. And blush, I'm gonna do the Fetish from Urban Decay, and I love applying it with a fan brush if I can find it. I changed again, and I'm very excited about lipstick because the color of clothes that you wear with this makeup and the color of lipstick is gonna change the whole thing. Like, you can do a coral lipstick and this would be more tropical. I wanted to do like a more cold lipstick in the pinkish side. That's why I put pinkish blush. It's gonna look like super, it's gonna be feminine but like dramatic and amazing. So I put like this top, which is more of a cold lilac. So I'm gonna apply lip liner. And it's gonna be my same as always. That works with pretty much any lipstick, especially pink. This is Hazelnut Tea from Laura Mercier. And lipsticks, I have two options for you that will work with this look. Again, on the pinkish side, I have Blankety, which is like my favorite from so long ago from MAC. They're both from MAC. And I have Driftwood, which is from the Lip Tensity line, which is like this. I feel like they are basically like really the same kind of color. I'm gonna compare. Driftwood is just a bit more lilac. You see? This is Blankety, a bit more pink. Driftwood is a bit more lilac. Since I've done so much of, yeah, I'm gonna go with Driftwood. But you see, they're the same color pretty much. Because I never used Driftwood before. And this nude would be perfect if you're more pale as well. This is like the limit for me. If it was a bit lighter than this, I couldn't do it. Look how pretty. This color of nude, like a really pale nude, will make your eyes stand out much more. So at the end of the makeup, you can come back with a gloss and touch up your lids and then apply your fixing spray. And I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime, especially on the eyes. And on my face, again, the Micro Serum Mist, just to make me glow. And I have long hair. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you recreate this with me. The list of products will be all down below, linking to websites as well. So yeah, I hope you recreate it. If you like the tutorial, please rate it thumbs up for me. I'm very happy when I see a bunch of likes and comments and feedback. So let me know what you want to see next as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay beautiful, stay kind, stay positive, and stay happy.